How's it going, everybody? You're watching Denable Tech, and today I've got an awesome little trick. I'm gonna show you how to unlock your iPhone much faster. And don't worry, because this works with any iPhone. If you have a newer iPhone 10, 10s, 10R that uses Face ID, or if you have an older iPhone that uses Touch ID that has a normal physical home button. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So let's start with the iPhones with Face ID. So let me lock it. And then let's say I want to unlock it, but with the passcode, not with my face for any reason. So the normal process is quite annoying. You have to swipe up and wait and wait and wait and wait, and then you see the passcode option. But you can actually do it much easily. Let me cancel it and do it again. The trick here is you swipe up and then you touch Face ID in the middle, and then you can see it is instant. Let me do it again. So swipe up and touch Face ID in the middle, and then instantly you see the little passcode, and then you can just type your passcode and then do it very quickly. It is instant. I love it. You just tap it and then you can just put your passcode. I love this little trick, and I'm sure you're gonna love it as well. Now let's talk about the iPhones with Touch ID, with the physical home button. So I'm just gonna lock it right here, and to unlock it, the process is you wake the screen. You can wake with the power button, and then you have to put your finger. So now that it says unlocked right there at the top, I have to also click the home button, have to click the home button, and then I unlock the phone. So it is a two-step process, but with this tip I'm going to show you right now, I'm going to make it a one-step process. So it is much better. I'm just going to cut a whole step. So all you have to do is go to your settings, and then scroll down to general, and then accessibility. Scroll down a little bit more until you find home button, and then right here the last option, rest finger to open. So it is very hidden. What this will do is pretty simple. It will allow us to completely cut that last step. You're not going to need anymore to click the home button to unlock your device. So I'm going to lock it and then wake the screen, and all I have to do is put my finger on top of it, just rest, and then it unlocks. I just completely cut that last step of having to actually click the home button. And this is especially much better if you have an iPhone 6s, 7 and 8, which have the function to raise, to wake. So then you pretty much just raise your iPhone, it will wake the screen, and then you just rest your finger on top of the fingerprint sensor on the home button, and it unlocks. So you actually don't have to press anything. It's just a matter of touching the fingerprint scanner, and then you are unlocked without having to press any buttons. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button down below. Also make sure to put your mouse on top of my face right here on top of this bubble. Click on the subscribe button and then on the little bell icon, so you'll be the first person to get notified whenever I post a new video. And after, click on this video right here on the right, because I'm sure you're gonna love it. So that's pretty much it, and I'll see you guys in a couple days. Bye bye.